So today's topic is multiplying and dividing fractions, a little different from adding and subtracting fractions. And I think, honestly, it's easier than adding and subtracting fractions because there's less strict rules when you're multiplying and dividing fractions. So let's start off easy with multiplying fractions. 1 over 3 times 4 over 5. Now, of course, for multiplication, we're going to use our dot here instead of the x because the x can be confusing and it's also pretty elementary. So we use the dot when at this point in math. So when multiplying fractions, the only thing you have to remember is that you multiply straight across. Okay, there is no cross multiplication. There is none of that. It's straight. Okay, so let's do that. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 5 is 15. Can you reduce? No. And that's it. That's our final answer. 4 over 15. Simple, right? Let's try a different one. 6 over 7 times 4 over 11. So same thing. We multiply straight across. 6 times 4 is 24. Over 7 times 11 is 77. Can we reduce? No. So 24 over 77 is our final answer. It looks goofy, I know, but that's the right answer. It's all you gotta do. No, nothing hard about that. So now let's go to dividing fractions. Now dividing, there's one rule you have to remember, and we've all heard before. Say it with me. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. KCF. We all remember this from like 3rd grade, right? It's going to come up in this one here for dividing fractions, okay? So, example time. Write this down. Keep, change, flip. Write it down. Pause it if you need to write it down. Let's start simple. 3 over 4 divided by 4 over 5. Okay, so dividing fractions, we have to keep, change, flip. So we keep our first term, we change this division sign to multiplication, and we flip our fraction, reciprocal. Flip here to that. So let's do that. 3/4, we keep it, keep 3/4. Our division sign gets changed to multiplication, and our last fraction gets flipped. So instead of 4 over 5, we flip it, and it becomes 5 over 4. And now it's multiplication. Multiply, remember? Straight across. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 4 is 16. No reducing on this one. 15 over 16 is your final answer. Simple as that. Let's try another one. 6 over 7 divided by 11 over 13. Oh, big numbers. So, remember, we keep, change, flip, KCF, not KFC, no country fried chicken in this one, or Kentucky fried chicken, or whatever kind of chicken you want to eat, Popeyes, Churches, don't mind me. Keep, change, flip. We keep our first term, 6 over 7. We keep it, 6 over 7. We change our division to multiplication, and our last fraction gets flipped, reciprocal, to 13 over 11. Now, we multiply straight across. 6 times 13, 7 times 11. 6 times 13 is 78 over 7 times 11, which is 77. There's no reducing in this one. That is our final answer. Simple. All there is to it with all dividing fractions is keep, change, flip it, multiply across, reduce if you can. If you can't, that's the way it is.